Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is a room tour of a 2-bedroom unit at Wyndham Kingsgate in Williamsburg, Virginia. This is a timeshare resort. There are 3 resorts in Williamsburg and that Wyndham owns, and this is by far the most kid-friendly one they have. We are staying in Unit 4201A, which is Building 4, and then Unit 201A. Each floor in this building has a A and a B unit. One is a 2-bedroom and the other is a 1-bedroom. And if you want to get a 3-bedroom, then they just give you both units, and they have conjoining rooms in them. So we were in 201A. If you notice, there is no elevator in this building. These buildings are only 2 to 3 floors, and there are no elevators. So when you come in, you have a nice big living room. That couch does turn into a sofa bed. You have a closet here, some hangers, an iron, a sweeper. I believe there was a plunger in there as well. There's your conjoining door to go to the other unit if you have a 3-bedroom. Nice size TV, coffee table. The lamp has a USB and a plug in it. Nice size dining room. Then here's your kitchen. It's a fully stocked kitchen, and if you need anything, you can call down to the desk, like a mixer or some other pots and pans, and they will bring them to your room as needed throughout the week, depending upon how much cooking you're going to be doing. The refrigerator does have an ice maker and does put out a lot. They do give you some bowls here, some pans, pots and pans there, colander, all your coffee cups, and all your different types of glasses. Here you have your can openers and different serving spoons and things. And then here's all your utensils. A toaster. Got a blender. Knives. Coffee maker. Then out here on the deck, you have a nice little sitting area. 2 chairs and a table. We'll go to the bedrooms. I'll do the 2nd bedroom first. It's got a queen bed in it, nice ceiling fan, nice size dresser, and TV. Here's your closet, hangers. There's your bed linens for your sofa bed. There's a safe right there. Then here's your bathroom. All these rooms were just renovated too, so it's looking a lot better than the last time we were here. Now the master bedroom, the hangers. On this side here, you have a washer and dryer. They give you a couple packets of soap to use. We normally just go out and get ourselves a bottle of liquid soap if we're going to do any clothes. Now in here we got a king size bed, nice little sitting area. All the bed lamps have USBs and plugs in them. The master bath, okay size sink. A nice stand-up shower. All in all, we enjoy this resort. We've been here several times. It's very convenient location. You're about 15 minutes from Busch Gardens, about 10 minutes from the outlet mall, They are constantly renovating these units, and like I was saying earlier, this is the most kid-friendly area resort that they have in the area. It has arcade, which you'll see shortly, and you do pay a $7 a day resort fee, but that covers all the arcade games. They're all free to use, as well as there's a Nintendo and PlayStation and Xbox set up for them to play. You have tennis courts, you have miniature golf that's free, as well as 2 swimming pools, indoor and outdoor. Hope the tour helps. These units are set up a little different than a lot of the other Wyndham 2-bedrooms. If it does, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel. I do a lot of other Wyndham resort tours. Thanks.